Hi, I'm John Roseman with Tonsorio Virtuoso and also How TV, CutBlackMen'sHair.com. So today I'd like to share with you a look that has been developing for me over, I don't know, probably maybe 5 years or so. I finally come up with a very nice look that I'm actually pretty comfortable with, and I would almost say that this is one of my favorite looks that I have given myself, or that I do as a self haircut in over 20 years of haircutting. I just really like the maintenance level of it and the overall look of it, how it is achieved. It's slightly different than I had been trained to cut hair. In other words, I'm not using as much clipper on the top, or I'm not evening the hair out as I typically guards. I'm going for more natural effects, so I'm doing more shear work on the top and did a kind of a typical fade or some type of blend effect on this. Just wanted to share this look with you, and perhaps it's something you might want to integrate into your styling repertoire or for yourself or your clients. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. you know, I actually didn't do anything to the top this time. But basically, my approach to this is, if you notice, this hair is actually pretty long. I've got some really long, you know, strands of hair in here. But it's like zero maintenance, no maintenance approach. The most I'll do in styling it, you know, is, and I'll show you my after shower styling, because it's this, you know, but I'll use, you know, the sponge. Sometimes I'll just use not this brush, but actually this brush here works pretty good. Soft bristle brush designed more or less for this styling effect. So the hair isn't cut to perfect evenness the way it would be with clipper guards, or even pulling up and doing the shearing comb. So it actually contributes to a much fuller, I'm getting a little older, be 45 years old this year, so it actually contributes to a much fuller and thicker hair, you know. So it makes it look darker, less patchy, and with my hair texture, the way it reduces in the curl, it just works. And I wonder what took me so long to discover this. You know, I've been overcutting my hair and you know, sacrificing some of the rich benefits of textured hair by not getting with this particular program. So, alright, we'll see you a little later. I'm going to get showered up and show you how I do my after shower styling and the final look that I sport these days. Thanks. Hey, welcome back. So, a couple of things I do in the shower to actually start to develop this look, final look for my hair. I'll put this conditioner in and I'll start the swirling effect while the conditioner is in, rinsing the conditioner out and still swirling the hair. This starts to develop the look that I'm going to have in the final look. Thank you. Okay, step 2 of the development of the look in the shower. I'm going to get a palm of this Murray's grease and massage it into the top of my hair where I have most of the hair, so, you know, for the curling. And I'm going to rinse it with hot water, not trying to rinse the product out, but Murray's, anybody that's ever worked with it knows it's pretty thick, and it'll leave white patches, so I'm kind of breaking down the product in the shower. Not over working it so that it's not coming out, but just breaking it down with the heat of the shower. After I shampooed my hair and then I saturated it with the conditioner, used the brush and rotated it in the hair, rinsing the conditioner out. Second step was I then put Murray's pomade in my hands, rubbed it into my hair, then did the same thing under the hot water, rotated the brush around the hair, you know, to get these swirls. So my last thing is basically just a, you know, a styling element that I like. So I'm going to basically part my hair with my fingers, not use a comb. Pretty much like so. And I am going to use a comb a little bit. I don't know, maybe I'll leave that zigzag. Keep it more natural looking. And this product is called Edge Wax. So you dig a thumbnail into it, bring out about that much of the product, rub it across these fingers here, and use the edge wax to stabilize the part. Yep, so I'll use that edge wax right in the part, stabilize it a bit. Kind of hand style it to the back. And then a little bit more styling left to do. What I'll do is pull down some hair right here. Use this old technique I learned from my mother. Like that. Because my hair has a little bit of Murray's pomade in it, this little strategy works better when you got some type of product. So it'll hold once it dries. Like that. Augments the lineup work that you did with the clippers. And that's it. Thank you.